Concept 3, Theme. A theme is a set of formatting choices that can be applied to an entire workbook in one simple step. Go ahead and open your Page Layout tab. In your Page Layout tab, we're looking for themes in our theme group. It's our first group and our first icon. And we're going to click on that and you'll see that they open up here. And this is to point to several of the different ones, and you can see how it's automatically adjusting our page as our cursor goes over them. It's called our live preview. And it tells us to end up on the Horizon theme. So I'll click on my Horizon theme. And then I'm going to come up to colors, and you can see that we have a choice of colors as well. And I'm going to end up by choosing Metro. And you can look through them, you can see how it changes. And then it tells us that we can also save custom themes if we want to make our own one. So since I've made a theme and adjusted my colors, and I could adjust my font and give it effects as well, I'm going to come into Themes, to the drop-down area here, and go to Save Current Theme. And when I do this, it'll give me a place to save the theme. And I'm going to call this one Horizon 1. And then I'll click on Save. And I've saved that theme. After I do that, I'm going to use some cell styles. So I'm going to select the range A1 through E15. So that's everything here. And I'm going to go to the Cell Styles group. So that's in my Home tab. And you can see Styles here as one of my groups. So I'm going to go to Cell Style. And I'm going to click on the drop-down window. And you'll see that here's a bunch of different styles. It says point to several cell styles to view the live preview. And it tells us to choose 40% Access 3 into the Themed Styles section. Be this one. And just for the record, I don't really care which color you use on any of these, so choose whatever one you like. I'll click on this one. And now it's giving me a basic background style here. But I'm going to break it up just a little more than that. So I'm going to go to range A1 through A15. And in my Cell Styles group, I'm going to choose the Accent 1 style. This is kind of this green here. And I'm going to select cells A10 through A15. And I'm going to come here and make them bold. So my headings are going to be nice and bold. I'm going to select B9 through E9. So B9 through E9 up here. And I'm going to apply heading style 3. So I'm going to come up to my cell styles again and go to heading 3. You can see it gives a nice little green line under them as well. Then I'm going to select A15 through E15. And I'm going to put the total style in. So I'm going to come up here and I'll find total style. It's at the end of the headings. And then I'll click outside and you can see how nice it's starting to look. Just some very quick formatting marks. I'm going to come up to B4 and give this one a title style. I'm going to go to B5 and give it a heading 1 style. And finally B6 and give it a heading 2 style. So you can see very quickly we've made a very nice looking table. It says resize and reposition the graphic as necessary. After we've done that, we're going to right click on the title cell style. So we come up to Cell Styles, come up to Title, and we're going to right click. And we're going to go to Format or Modify. And I want to format the font. And when I format the font, I'm going to give it a color. And I'm going to color it green. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click OK. And now you can see that since this is in the title style, now it is green. So I've kind of modified my own style. Can also apply number styles. I'm going to go to B11 through E14. And I'm going to open the Cell Styles gallery. And you'll see that in here, comma 0 is one of my choices for numbers. I'm going to choose that one. And this is very typical. We'll only see dollar signs on the top line and the bottom line because we don't really need them there. We can make that logical assumption that they're all talking about dollars. Once you've done that, go ahead and save.